Certainly there could be a broadening of the regional focus, right? So there are a number of prominent studies on China, in particular in cyberspace, and there are probably more experts in China in cyberspace in the US than probably any other area. The Soviet Union and Russia people were out of favor, and now we're all desperately trying to find them. But it'd be very hard to find somebody to come and talk about Brazil or Indonesia. India is not easy. I think broadening the scope of the countries is important. At the State of the Field, we talk a lot about doing more interdisciplinary work. I don't think that really exists yet. Incentives in academia are skewered away from it. To really have a work that brought in some insights from anthropology and sociology and some of the other social science fields, I think is important. It seems at another technology inflection point with AI, and that is going to, I think, change the types of attacks and defenses that we see. So I think people are aware of that. I think that we're beginning to see that discussion, but we're probably going to need more technical expertise in that as well.